this video is for this winter because it's like not only for winter, you guys can also apply all these lip tints in summer at the same time. But the thing is, during winter, you cannot apply lipsticks all the time. So we switch to lip tints during winter. And don't worry, if you do not do that and if you are thinking of doing that, then I can help you with my today's video. So before I start, first look at my lips. So this is how my lips look. These are a little pigmented, as you can see. And if you talk about lip chapping issues, then I'm lucky in that case because I don't get frequent lip chapping things. So yeah, these are moisturized, I think, from inside. That's the reason why I always love to apply this kind of water-based lip tints. But in case of my sister, she has dry lips and she frequently gets lip chapping kind of issues, and that's why she always prefers lip balms and jelly-based or lip oils. Starting with the face.
तो बेसिकली लिप टिंट्स होते हैं 3 टाइप्स का. नंबर 1 वाटर बेस्ड, नंबर 2 जेली बेस्ड एंड नंबर 3 इज क्रीमी बेस्ड. वन न्यू फाउंड इज देयर व्हिच इज लिप ऑयल. आई विल शो यू ऑल ऑफ देम, बट मैं ज़्यादा लगाती हूँ वाटर बेस्ड लिप टिंट्स एंड दैट्स व्हाई स्टार्टिंग द वीडियो विद वाटर बेस्ड लिप टिंट्स. द फर्स्ट वन इज फ्रॉम द कोरियन ब्रांड Face Shop and I just love applying them. And this one is from the Etude, the Dear Darling lip tint. Just look at them. I'm literally in love. Like how perfectly it gives color to my lips. It doesn't look too much and it's like I simply love it. Doesn't look too much बोलते बोलते थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया था, तो I'm applying on my cheeks. As blush feels like adding life to my cheeks. I just love applying blushes. One more reason why I love them is they're so long lasting. For next 6-7 hours, I'm tension free. And this video is not sponsored,
so I
guys.
have another water-based lip tint which is from this Blue Heaven brand. I'm not gonna apply it right now, but you know the texture is same like this. Yeah, this is also pretty much nice. That's all about the water-based, and now we will move to the lip oils because these are new in the market.
Throwback to a Purana video of 2022. As you can see, the same Face Shop lip tints I'm using in the video. So just a proof. Let's get back into today's video. Being honest,
the one
to
I
you
have
guys.
is from this lip serum from the Pilgrim. And this lip oil is from Swiss Beauty. So let's see. So the thing is, I have tried to remove the water-based lip tints, but they don't get removed as easily. They are like lip stains, and that's the best part, to be very honest. And so let's apply this one over this water-based lip tint. Can you see, guys? This is like proper lip oil. So you know, to be very honest, I am not a lip oil person because my lips are already moisturized, as I have already said. But my sister is a big fan of lip glosses or this kind of like lip oils. So yeah, you guys can also decide according to your lip type. This is really a great one.
The next lip oil, which is actually called a lip serum from Pilgrim, is also really nice. It feels so yum. खा जाने का मन करता है. Really moisturizes and heals my lip. What I do sometimes during night time, instead of lip balm, I apply them and I sleep.
Okay guys, so I'm removing the lip oils from my lips. I'm done with showing the application of both lip oils and water based. Now we will move to see the lip balms. Also, if you're looking for lip glosses, you can try this Gloss Me lip gloss from Swiss Beauty. The first lip balm is from the brand Hyphen by Sanon, and this is so much trending. I also wanted to check what the hype is all about. And yeah, you guys will get to see it has a slight brownish tint. So let's apply. So yeah, it's nice. MRP is $3.99 and I don't know at which price I got from Amazon, but quite affordable at this range. So yeah, I'm loving it. The thing is, my lips are already a little pigmented. So, and these lip balms are like, they have minimal color in it. So the outcome looks something like this. So that's the thing. Let's remove it and let's check the next lip balm from the Dot & Key, which is really a good lip balm. So this is the lip balm from Dot & Key, the Strawberry Crush. And if you have serious lip chapping issues, then I would highly recommend it to you guys. This one truly heals. Like, let me show you. This is the shade, which is the Strawberry Crush. So this is how it looks. The best part is you are getting a really pretty color in it. Also, it truly moisturizes and protects your lips. So I love it. I think you guys have already tried this one because it is so popular these days. Let me know in the comment section below if you have tried, and I'm also loving it. So we are done with the lip balms, guys. Nextly, I'm going to show you something really amazing. This is the Maybelline Superstay Tendy Tint. I am seriously loving it because it looks like a lipstick. Honestly, let me apply and let me show you guys. Seriously, look at how amazing the shade is and feels so soft after the application. Not exactly like lipsticks, but not like the water-based lip tints at the same time. So it has a like really perfect formula. I'm loving it. So this is how the package looks like. You can also give it a try. If you are kind of a fan of this kind of shades, then you can definitely try it. So nextly, one another lip tint I have with the same kind of texture, which is from the Korean brand Peri, and this is something which I don't like much because accidentally I bought a shade which doesn't suit me. So anyway, that's all about it. If you want to check more details, I have shown in a previous video, I remember. I'm gonna link that down. And also I have two jelly based lip tints. This is from the Arch Rhythm and this is from the Rene. You can also check that previous video for watching the application of these lipsticks. These are also really great. And this lip tint is another one which I got as a peer gift from Swiss Beauty and looks like this. But you know, I'm not a fan of cream based lip tints. So this is how they look. Let me try it once on my cheeks and show you how they work. Okay, so I think I'm done with showing my lip tints, lip balms, cheek tints, whatever you say. But if you now tell me to compare among all this, that is truly impossible because you have to select according to your lip type and what kind of lip tints you actually prefer. So that's the thing. All of them are quite amazing, works amazing, and I will definitely try to provide all the links description box below. I just hope you found this video helpful, and also if you have any further doubts, and if you have something to ask, then you can definitely ask me in the comment section, or you can connect me over Instagram through DM. And yeah, I'll be mentioning my Insta handle on the screen somewhere. So that's all about my today's video, and this is how I blush. Yeah, that's it guys. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, you guys take care, stay happy, stay healthy, and अच्छे से खाओ, अच्छे से रहो, and I'll see you guys soon in my next video.